Welcome to the Balloons Everywhere Idea Kitchen. In this Defy Gravity video, we will be creating several variations of air-filled Valentine balloon decor using the balloon tower display. This video also features new products including heirlooms and our exclusive DIY party balloon kit. For the balloon decor, you will need a balloon tower display, one jumbo or large foil balloon, one solid or printed standard balloon, 8 5-inch latex balloons, one 260 latex twisty, one hang tab, 2 colors of coordinating floral ribbon, and a hand pump. Let's begin by inflating the balloon for the top of the display. Use a hand pump or electric inflator to fill the balloon with air. No helium is required for any of the recipes covered in this video. Fold the balloon tail in half and insert it through one of the 3 holes in the bottom of the cup. Add a piece of clear tape to the end of the tail. Pull the tail through as far as possible, tightening the balloon to the cup. Wrap the tail around the stem of the cup and secure it with the tape. Next, assemble the pieces of the balloon tower display. For added stability, we recommend filling the base with water. Insert the white adapter into the hole in the center of the base, followed by the telescopic pole. Let's move on to the double balloon collar. Start by creating 4 latex duplets. Use the hand pump to inflate 2 5-inch latex balloons. Place the balloons side by side and let air escape until the balloons are uniform in size. Tie the necks together to form the duplet. Repeat this process to create 3 additional equal-sized duplets. Using 2 duplets, twist the necks around each other to form a cluster. Repeat this process to create a second cluster. Finally, twist the 2 clusters together to form the collar. Adjust the collar until both clusters are neatly nested together. Slip the uninflated 260 latex twisty through the 2 remaining holes in the balloon cup. This will be used to secure the foil balloon and collar to the display tower. Extend the pole approximately 2 feet. Carefully slide the balloon collar onto the pole, leaving space at the top to secure the balloon cup. Once the cup is added, nest the collar tightly under the balloon. Wrap the uninflated twisty through the collar and tie it. Start the lower half of the decor by inflating a standard foil balloon with air. For a more finished look, roll the tail of the balloon like a squirrel and secure it with clear tape. Add a hang tab along the top seam of the balloon. Place the tab off-center for a more organic design. Cut a 6-foot length of floral ribbon and fold it in half to find the center. Create 2 loops of ribbon and tie them into a bow. Adjust the loops until you are satisfied with the appearance. Pull the loose ends of the ribbon through the hang tab and adjust the bow to cover the tab. Tie a knot in the loose ends of the ribbon. Slip the knotted end of the ribbon between the balloons and the latex collar. Tuck it in to hide the knot. Extend the pole until the balloon is hanging freely. Make any final adjustments so the ribbon flows smoothly down to the standard balloon. Finish up by cutting at least 2 more strips of floral ribbon to a 6-foot length. Coordinate the style or color of your ribbon to match the overall design. Fold the ribbon in half. Offset the lengths to create a more playful flow of ribbon and tuck them into the latex balloon collar. Fold the end of each ribbon in half and cut diagonally across to create clean chevron tips. Make any final adjustments to the decor and fully extend the pole. You're all done! The balloon display tower allows for endless possibilities in design. To keep things simple for this tutorial, we will be changing the lower half of the decor to show a few options. Curling ribbon is an inexpensive way to quickly add color and flair. In this variation, cut at least 12 8-foot strands, bunch them together and wrap them through the balloon collar. Let the ribbon flow naturally over the design to create a waterfall of color. Another whimsical variation uses 260 latex twisty curls. This technique is simple. Begin by fully inflating and deflating the twisty. Attach the tip of the balloon to a cylindrical object like a pipe or wrapping paper tube with a clip-in weight. Wrap the twisty smoothly around the tube, making sure not to twist it. Reinflate the balloon and tie off the end. Keep in mind, the tighter you wrap the twisty on the tube, the tighter the final curls will be. Tie an uninflated twisty to the tail and set aside. Repeat the steps to make an additional curl. We won't be needing the standard foil for this design. Wind each curl around the pole and secure them to the balloon collar with the uninflated twisty. To build the balloon column in the background of this video, follow the same procedure demonstrated earlier for making balloon clusters. This column was made using latex balloons inflated to 7 inches. Simply slip each cluster onto the pole, rotating each 90 degrees as you work your way up. Then top the column with a coordinating foil balloon. The current trend to offer more air-filled options to consumers has led to the development of a new line of balloons called heirlooms. These large decor balloons are available for seasonal holidays as well as everyday events. They are made of thicker, more durable foil material, and each balloon includes everything you need to inflate and display the balloon. While the balloon includes an inflation straw, it is strongly recommended to inflate them with a hand pump or electric air inflator. Once both balloons are inflated, tie the elastic band to the tabs on the bottom of the main balloon. Stretch the band around the base balloon and adjust the main balloon so that it's nested snugly in the base. Every heirlooms is at least 4 feet tall and makes a giant impression. Balloons Everywhere has developed its own solution to allow the everyday consumer to create their own amazing air-filled balloon decor. The DIY balloon pump kit includes a pump, hang tabs, and curling ribbon for 10 foil balloons. The DIY balloon party kit includes hang tabs and curling ribbon for an additional 10 balloons. Display the kits in the floral department. Inflate a few balloons using the contents of the kit and display them nearby to promote DIY sales. Everything the consumer needs to decorate with air-filled balloons is in our DIY Party Balloon Pump Kit. Use the enclosed pump to inflate the foil balloon, add the hang tab to the top, uncoil the curling ribbon, tie it through the hole, and curl the excess with a pair of scissors. The balloon is now ready for display. We know you will be busy on Valentine's Day building amazing balloon decor. To save time, we recommend a simple trick. Inflate the latex balloons a few days beforehand and store them in an airtight black bag. That way, they will be ready to go whenever you need them. Thanks for watching. All the materials for this project are available through Balloons Everywhere. For fast shipping from the nearest distribution center, you can order online at balloons.com or call 800-239-2000. To be notified when new instructional videos are added, click our logo to subscribe to the Balloons Everywhere channel.